Okay, so let's see. It's got a period of 3 seconds, so let's find 3 seconds here. Notice that the energy is dropped to 4 joules, starts off at 10 joules, right? So we'll just do this. The Q is 2 pi stored over dissipated. Okay. Stored is 10, dissipated is 10 minus 4, so we go Q is equal to 2 pi 10 divided by 10 minus 4. This can be done 2 pi times 10 divided by 10 minus 4. Notice I'm not squaring anything because I don't need to square something to get the, I don't need to square anything. I can just read the energy here. I'm not, this isn't the amplitude. This is the energy, right? So I'm all set. Okay, so when I do this, I get 10.47. Can we even give 3 sig figs for, I think we'd have to say 10, I'm going to say 10.5. We probably can't even say that many sig figs. All right, so let's take a look at this guy. The Q factor of the system is 14.3. Determine the period. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what this energy is after 1 cycle. So we got to do this thing, and then we got to read the graph. So we're going to go Q is 2 pi. The initial energy is 18, right? So 18 divided by 18 minus X amount of energy, right? And the Q is going to be 14.3. Right, so we're going to figure out how much energy it's got after 1 cycle, because this is energy dissipated per cycle. So the next step looks like this. I'm going to go, let's see, 14.3 over 2 pi is 18 over 18 minus X. Okay, now I'm going to write it this way. I'm just going to switch these guys. So I'm going to go 18 times 2 pi over 14.3 equals 18 minus X. So 18 minus 18 times 2 pi over 14.3 equals X. Now I can do this. 18 times 1 minus 2 pi divided by 14.3. 10.09. So X is 10.09. So 10.1. So let's look at that. Where is 10.1? It's right there. Right? It's kind of right in there. I'm getting like 3.8, maybe 3.9, right? Okay. So the answer I got was 3.8. Looking at it just right now, or I got 3.9 earlier. Looking at it now, I got 3.8. But there's going to be, that's what you do, right? Is you figure out what that energy is after 1 cycle. Go and read the graph. That's your period. Okay. Obviously, since it's graph reading here, there's going to be some leeway as to what exactly the actual answer is.